Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. And now select the photo what you wanna edit. Let's say this one. Tap on it and at the bottom you will see the button Edit. Tap at this button. And now we can work with it. So we can just edit what will be the best one for you. So can I finally move it, or okay? So let's modify it. Okay, so let's say that's okay for me. Click Saved Copy. You may have also save, but at this phone I have only Save Copy. And we didn't save it. Okay, let's try again. Let's change something, like say this one. Then let's go to the filters, add some filter. Text. Okay, we can also try something. Okay, now let's try this time. Save copy. And as you can see, I have original photo and my copy. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.